If you're looking for some examples of apps that integrate the Mixed Reality Toolkit, the Mixed Reality Toolkit Example Hub has various scenes that you could use to try out interactions as well as UI controls. You can find the MRTK Examples Hub within the example package. If you want to try out some fully robust apps, there are examples on GitHub, and Microsoft has created 3 apps that you can try out, those being the periodic table of elements, as well as Galaxy Explorer and surfaces. So starting with the periodic table of elements, it's going to provide you a cylindrical view of the periodic table of elements, and you can select one of the elements with your hand, and in front of you will display information about the element as well as a 3D model. This particular project makes use of MRTK button prefabs, hand menus, the object collection script, object manipulator script, and some other features within the Mixed Reality Toolkit. As for Galaxy Explorer, it's an educational experience where you can learn more about the galaxy. And what I think is really cool about this experience is that the longer you focus on an object, it actually pulls closer to you. This project makes use of the hand menu as well. You can also find an example of using eye tracking and solvers for that project too. And then finally, there is surfaces. So surfaces explores how we can create a tactile sensation using audio, visual, as well as fully articulated hand tracking. That experience is going to make use of hand and joint tracking as well as MRTK shaders.